What's up, guys? This is Higgins from Legal Animations, and I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. And on today's episode, we're taking a deep dive into CHCKX's PETG in blue. I'm a huge fan of this particular brand of filament. The reason why is that it's relatively inexpensive for what you're getting when you buy it off of Amazon. As you can see here, it comes in a cardboard box, obviously, plus with a plastic spool. One of the things I'm not a huge fan of is obviously the use of the plastic spools, or also the fact that the bag itself doesn't come with either resealable or the little tabs that makes it a little bit easier to open. So we're going to have to take our trusty box cutter knife in order to get it open. So let's go ahead and get that done, and we're getting that finished and opened. As you can see, this is a wonderful lightish blue color here. Anyway, as you know, here at Legal Animations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and get that put into the dryer, and we're going to go ahead and I will see you then. Make sure we get the benchy started. So as you know, we always start out by printing a benchy with the generic settings in Bamboo Studio. So as you can see here, we got that all squared away with the generic PETG. So let's get this sliced up. Should take a little under an hour. So we're going to get that printed up as well as the test prints. So I will be back shortly in order to show you the results. Anyway, so as you can see here, we have the benchy in the generic settings. Everything looks fine. No real major issues there. Maybe a little bit over the overhangs, especially under the roof there, and a couple of other small details that we're going to see if we can rectify with some of the setting changes. Next up, we have the dimensional cube. This one's printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed in Voss mode. Everything looks fine there, no issues. Next up, we have the temperature tower. And the temp tower here, the best one looks around 245, which is pretty good for PETG. So that's the temperature that we ended up printing at. Next up, we have the retraction test, and this retraction test looks to be pretty good. No real major issues there. Next up, we have the max volumetric speed, and for this one, I ended up printing a little bit slower, around 25 millimeters cubed per second. Overhang test looks fine. No real issues there, but again, always at 70 degrees, you're probably going to want to use supports. So we got the settings dialed in, and as you can see in the description below, we got everything looking good. So as for the actual price of this, this one over at Amazon, I wasn't able, at the time of filming, wasn't able to find, so we're going to skip over that, but I recall correctly, this was less than 15 bucks traditionally with CHCKX. That's pretty standard, so pretty good price. I like this filament, especially if you're looking at getting into the hobby. As for the, if you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the nice YouTube things. I'm a new channel. I'd appreciate it. It helps out. Anyway, this has been Higgins with Legal Animations, and I hope to see you on the next episode. Thanks.